Happy Halloween, guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Today we are making glow-in-the-dark slime using Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue. So let's get started. So today's slime ingredient we'll need Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue, borax activator, spoon, bowl, and we're also using a flashlight, but I will tell you later what it's for. So let's get started. First, we need to add the glow-in-the-dark glue. Whoa! There's glitter, guys. There's more stuck in here. Well, it makes weird noises. Let me try to pat this. Whoa. There's like a little blobby. Does it count if I pat it a little? I think that's enough. Even though it's still, there's many in here. Next, we're going to add borax, but little by little, guys. You don't want to overactivate it. Need the spoon though. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Mixing. Let's add more of this. Oopsie. I made a mistake and add more. Okay, let's add more. Whoa, kind of like a soup.
2 very boring minutes later.
After stirring this for a while, it will look like this. And now we can play with it in our hand a little. Let's try and stretch it. Whoa. Okay, let's now put this in the table and let's play with it more. guys, you can see it's very shiny and also metallic. Now it's time to tell you guys what this flashlight is for. So we need this flashlight to expose the slime in light for at least 2 minutes. So let's see how it turns out. So let's turn on the. Whoa, it's kind of bright in my eyes. Oh, it's glowing a little. I know it's kind of bright in your eyes too, guys. Let me see.
Two very boring minutes later.
Okay, let's see if it's glowing now. Oh my gosh. It's kind of glowing even though the light is on still. Okay, so let's turn off the lights. Whoa, it's glowing, guys. It's glowing green. Wow. So magical, right? Oh my gosh, guys. You can even see the glitter a little, see? So let's put this there. And if the light fades away, you can expose it to the light a little bit more. Wow. You can play with it if it's dark. It's really glowing, guys. It really glows. Whoa. Okay, it's sticking to my hand, but that's okay. I will even wash my hands later. Well, this is my Halloween special and all, but what is Halloween without a monster? So we're going to make this slime into a monster slime. So we're going to use googly eyes and put this in here. Okay, so let's do that right now. Looks spooky, right? Okay, that's all my googly eyes. So let's make a smile. And let's make a little nose. And there we go. That's perfect. And you can see it's glowing green. That's perfect. So that's how you make glow-in-the-dark slime. Incredible, isn't it? So that's it for my vlog today. Hope you guys enjoy my slime video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. Happy Halloween, guys! Bye!